UAE villa owners, are you dealing with water leaks, mold and costly repairs that's coming back again and again and again? What if you could protect your home with a waterproofing solution from Germany that lasts over decades, like my friend here, without any maintenance or other expenses that are coming over the years? Our solution is the best for you. Hi, I'm Daniel, the founder of RoofSealing.ae. We specialize in waterproofing solutions for your roof, windows and ground areas. In addition, it protects your house from the sunlight and has a cooling effect, which is going to bring down your yearly energy bills. Today I want to invite you to talk to us and how we can find out to protect your property. Here is why you shouldn't wait until the next rainfall before it's too late. Number 1. Protect your investment. Water leaks can damage your property and belongings within weeks. Our cutting-edge material protects your home and your belongings, and even more, your wallet. Number 2. Increase property value. A professional waterproofed home reassures buyers and boosts your property value because it shows that your property is well maintained and there haven't been any damages during the rainfall. Number 3. No more interior damages. Leaks can destroy custom furniture and wood floors. Our 20-year warranty keeps your home in pristine conditions. And we make it so easy for you. Quick application, free inspection. Leave your details below and we will contact you right away to give you peace of mind during the rainy season.